Tuesday Tech Tip. Today, my tech tip is the text replacement on the iPhone. If you ever find yourself typing the same things over and over again, like your email address or your phone number, or even just common phrases at work, text replacement can help you save a heap of time. Instead of typing it all out, you create a shortcut, and that little shortcut expands into the full text for you. Let's dive in and see how it works. Here's how we set it up. First, go to Settings, then tap General, then Keyboard, then Text Replacement. Tap the plus sign to add a new shortcut. For example, I've set up @ as a shortcut, and whenever I type it, it automatically fills in the email address. No more switching back and forth between letters, numbers, and symbols just to get the email address fully typed. So what we'll do is type in my full email address at the top, and then the second one, I'll type my @. Hit save, and we're good to go. It's a small change, but once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's my tech tip for today. Let us know in the comments how much time you're saving, and also if you want us to do an Android version next time. Thanks very much. See you later.